Hi there, Karen with Ageless Beauty Pro here, and today I'm going to go over a quick overview on a couple of new products. One is going to be the new Plla DIY at home mask. The second one is going to be the Time Master Pro. I'm just going to give you my first look and what I think about those, both pros and cons. So the first item is going to be this Hydra Velvet Plla Infused DIY mask. Yay! It's here. So this is a box of the mask, or you can get the single-use mask. You just rip the pouch open, apply it over clean skin, do a good exfoliation first, and then apply this. Let it rest for about 20 minutes. Peel it off and just rub the residue into your face, your neck, your neck, your hands. There's a ton of serum. This mask is saturated, so you're definitely going to have a lot of serum to rub in and to use in other areas as well. So it is a nice, refreshing, hydrating, soothing mask. It's also infused with those wonderful PLA polylactic acids, and those are great for getting in your skin and then working to boost and build your natural collagen, which is what we like. So I would say all of my pros in this particular treatment are that it's DIY, do it anytime, anywhere. It's very cost effective to use, it's easily accessible, and it works just like any other home use mask where you would lay it on your skin, rest, and then remove it, rub in the residue. It's very easy to use. It left me with a very nice glow. I was very soft and smooth. I did let it rest, all the serum and everything, for the next, that evening. I didn't wash my face, and I just kind of let it, I did apply a little bit of cavi over it in a couple different areas, and then I didn't do anything else. I just kind of let it work on its own, and it left me really nice and bright for the next few days. So I really like this mask. The only con would be is it's not going to give you those intense in-office treatments like the regular Plla mask treatment protocol would. That thing is mega amazing. It gives you instant results and cumulative results. If you're on the fence about trying that or booking an appointment to try that, go for it. It's an awesome treatment. And this would be a great addition to your protocol in the interim and to use with your cavi treatments. So I would say yes, definitely give it a try. If you're doing the in-office treatment protocol already, maybe wait till you're done with that, and then you can add this and do your cavi to kind of keep it going. But if you're not going to do that, or you don't have access to that, this will be a great addition to your Plla treatments. Now the next thing that I would want to talk about is the Time Master Pro. I will talk about the first time I used this. This tool is cool. I like it. It's good. I would say that if you are thinking about this tool and you have crepey skin, you have hollows, your skin is thin, you don't have the contours that you had a few years ago, this is going to give it back to you. This is going to work. I really enjoyed it. This was one of those tools where I did a light exfoliation, I did the treatment, and afterwards I was like, wow, I feel good. I put makeup on, I went out, I was like, I look kind of good today. I felt good about myself, which is always what we want to do. I would say it's intense. It's definitely something you feel. You feel this. You definitely want to glob on that conductive gel and spray, which is why I think they give you the Plla spray with it. Is because you want to keep that moist. You want to keep that gel really thick and moist during the entire treatment to get the best results and to make it the most comfortable. Now, it doesn't hurt. It's not painful at all. I do have a couple caveats though, a couple areas of that I wasn't particularly able to use it, and that is right over the center area of my forehead, which is really where I get the most lines. I could use it over my eyes, on the side, the temples, all over my cheeks, my chin, under my chin, here, fantastic in those areas. The other area was my lips. I could use it kind of around my lips and my chin, but my lips themselves, even like that, it really sucks and pulls and you feel it. So I'm going to have to work up to that. I did start on the lowest level with the multifunction LED. I highly recommend that. Don't try to jack it up just because you think, oh, I'm skincare savvy. Start low and then go, up as you progress. I would think that's the most comfortable way to go about it. Again, it's not painful, but you feel it. It's like if your skin has sort of, hollowed in and you're crepey and you've got some lines forming. This is going to kind of pull it all out and suck it all out, plump it all up. That's kind of the effect that this tool gives. Again, I couldn't go over this center area. There's not a lot of skin there on your forehead, so I might have to really work up to that or just add more conductive gel or something. I'm not sure. That was the only area that I was a little uncomfortable that I thought, oh, I'm not going to do it here. But I think if I work the lips and build up slowly in that area with a lot of gel, I think I'll be okay. So again, just mega plumping, firming, brightening, a lot of brightening. I mean, I was glowing right after and firm under my chin and all this. So that was great. And then I just did a quick touch up with my my mini. I just went over my cheekbones real good to just give a lift. And man, I felt so good about myself. It was a great treatment that you can do at home. Usually like an in-office treatment would be this level. So if you're kind of on the fence about that, you can swing it at all. If you're a young person and you just want the next greatest thing in skincare, you're not going to see that much of a result from this particular product, in my opinion. If your skin is already plump and glowing, I mean, why bother? Go with the mini product and then maybe build your arsenal of Plla products if you have any areas of concern, because even young girls, they can have some hollows forming, some lines, sun damage and things like that can pop up over the years. So even young girls, I've seen them have the skin and the concerns of an older woman, and I've seen older ladies have beautiful skin that's plump and glowing. They've really done the work over the years. So again, if you're young, start with one of those unless you really feel like you need it. But if you're a little older, like the rest of us, you have some atrophy going, some thinning skin, some areas you'd like to redefine your contours, plump that skin back up and really get that glow, then this is going to be a great tool for you. Honestly, it's great. So really, it works well. It's easy. It was a fast treatment. Don't do it every day. Use this wisely. You should only use it a few times a week. Only do the 10 minutes. Don't try to get extra treatment time, because this is definitely going to be a case of, a little is good and too much isn't necessarily better. You don't want to atrophy and overwork your muscles and your skin. You want to let them do their work naturally by just helping them a little bit. So the only cons really are the price. It's a little pricey for some, and I totally get that, and the fact that it's coming in slowly. It's not really that accessible. We're supposed to get another shipment soon, and I'm getting those out the door as fast as I can once they come in, because I know everybody's waiting for them. So again, those are the two areas, plus the areas of concern, the lip and the little forehead area, where I don't have a lot of skin up here to really suck it, and the lips were like, whoa, this is intense. I'm going to have to work up to it. Rest of it, no problem whatsoever. So I highly recommend it for those areas. So all good things, couple little cons in there, if you consider them cons. And that's generally my overview of those two products. So I really appreciate you watching. Let me know what you think. Please drop a comment in. I invite you to subscribe to my AGELESS E-CLUB. It's free to join. All you have to do is sign up at the link below on my site, and I send out promo codes and discount codes and free shipping and some other VIP insider specials. So I'd love to have you there as well. So thanks for watching.